on Google Maps app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you want to note, if you are getting this error, then most likely you are using Android Go device. This is impossible for you to be able to go back in time. However, if you are using the latest smartphone or you're just using the normal Android smartphone, maybe your version might be quite low, and this is the reason. Try and use any other tool or desktop to see if this fixes your problem. However, if you have one of the latest Android version and you're still getting this, then most likely you need to troubleshoot your app to fix this. The first thing you need to do is to go and update your Google Maps app. To do this, just go to your smartphone and tap on Google Play Store or App Store and search for Google Maps. If we have an update, update it to the latest version. Once you're done, now everything should be okay when you open Google Maps. However, if this does not fix your problem, then troubleshoot your app by going to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps, and my apps is here. From apps, look for this option called manage apps. Under manage apps, this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Maps. Now if you tap on this, you'll be taken to Maps app info page. Go to force stop and OK, and go to clear data and clear cache, and finally OK. Once you are done, start your smartphone, and now if you open Maps, you should be able to go back in time on this app. However, at this point, if you still have a challenge and you're not using any VPN on your smartphone, then most likely Google Maps might have experienced an internal server error. For that, wait after some few minutes and now try, and now everything should be up and running. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.